Here's a 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. AM/FM satellite radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.